I greet everybody where they watch me today. This story will I carry come. I don't know be I go talk say na bad one or I be na sweet one. Because the thing somehow sweet me for body. I hear say thunder just finally strike one professional thief. This guy don dey terrorize people inside First Tax State for Lagos. No be today this guy don dey go there go thief do this one do that. I no come know wetin carry this guy. Carry him body say among everything wey wan go thief na transformer. Now him come go say he won't go carry. I don't know how him take reach there. Before we go sit now there, this thing just blow, kill am, drop am for there. My people beg, they can join me watch.
Stealing. Today, them will catch am. Everybody said they don't bury am now. We go bury am.
Who know I made it before they bury am? If local government come and carry him now, they will bury him. They no be go the pace.
Honestly, say I dey laugh. I no wan laugh about this thing because if person die, na bad thing. But they talk am say every day is for the thief, one day is for the owner. You will be saying they do thief, you no go do thief with your sense. Some people, all these thief who are going to do, no be say they know they gain. They feel even go thief, gain better money, but still, I know be an evil spirit. They think no go certify them, they will still carry themselves, go say they must go thief. You see where this one owner don't go land, you don't dey thief and seize, and I'm sure say they don't dey catch you, they warn you say, Oga stop, you know agree here. You see as devil now don't come use you, go kill you for them. If you can't reach heaven now, what you want Baba God? Say I try, say make I just go thief small transformer. Now there I can't die for. Anyway, now you and God now go settle that one. As you don't die, me I go just talk say rest in peace to you. Make you no be like say we no honor the dead. May your soul rest in peace. My viewers, now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This story will carry comment now about some IPOB members. We hear say these people don't go one chief house. Where name now Joe Igbokwe say they don't go this man place, go scatter and burn down this man house. Their motive have been reason for doing this one, we never even know. But I hear say this man they are among the top leaders for inside APC. I no can know be na the reason I made the contact say now they go kill him because this man they claim say na IPOB and their main motive now because say they won't kill him and destroy him. My people beg, make na join me watch.
Put aside that gas in the rig. Can me huh? And the other connected.
Our federal government on never still find something to do about this kind of thing. Because for me, this thing don't they go out of hand. In fact, it don't they come out for person hand. Because the way now they go just go person house, they know they even fear person, go attack person. Person go they drive anyhow, they will just go come meet, come kill. I beg which way they happen. But this why be say Mr. Joe they claim say yes, in the very certain say na IPOB. Oga I beg how you tell no? You sure say this thing no be planting because you claim say you know their house. You know even they around when this thing can't happen. So how manage you can't claim say na IPOB come your house can't attack you? I think they sure say no be some hoodlums. I mean, now you even pay people say they come here. You can't use now to blame IPOB because now no say inside Anambra and all these things now so IPOB they destroy things. But are they very certain say this one's not be IPOB or this one's not be any kind of person? Because normally on I know say these people if they attack they always kill person. So now go talk say this kind big house gate man no they nothing there. Now I make them no kill anybody because this one where they go they never even kill anybody. Now just destruction now they do. So me are they very certain say now another people now they do this kind of thing. There they be killers where now waiting they be we no even know. But whoever they be, our police and other people, they supposed to come outside, come find these people. Because this whole terrorist of it, we they call them bandits, this or that one. Sooner or later, these people will just turn to Afghanistan. They go carry gun now, begin shoot everybody inside the place. Because now, just like when they complain, nothing they happen. I don't talk and say, may they call this place a state of emergency. May they carry army full for their roads. Anyway, they say, these people, they destroy, they fight. Put army there. For every community, may they at least gather them, guide them. So all this kind of attack, going to happen again. Anyway, me, I don't see anything as the best way. If you not like making a drum, now until everywhere goes spoil. But this IPO people say, making a they calm down. Making a let court do their thing. Making a stop to they put things into their own heart. Because for me, not just they cause destruction. The one way on a no concept, they carry all the blame given on because say wait, now I carry the name IPOB for head. Like saying I don't carry a personal any small thing, I won't do this. So anyway, now own personal matter, I'm this one. My viewers, I hear this story now to make a bring and come. Make us stay tuned for our next story.